how to generate product description using WriteSonic. In order to do that, head over right here to your e-commerce, and then from in there, you should be able to see this. Click on product description, and then from in there, it will ask you your product name. So I have in here a product, so let's head over and then copy the product name right here. Then right click on it and copy. Now let's head over right here again onto our WriteSonic and let's give them the product name. Now click on next. Now it will ask you for your product benefits. So you can type in your product benefits, or you can also just choose in here the suggestions that they have. So for me, I'll head over and put in here lightweight. And I also put in here water resistant. So let's just head over and then put in here what you want. Then from in there, click on next. Now this will load and it will show you some other more information tailored to your actual product. So from in here, let's just wait. Now it will ask for your target users. Let's put in here the college students and click on next. Then it will ask for the unique features. So let's put in here anti-theft and USB charging. Click on generate right here, and then this will generate the product description that is good for your product. So as you can see right now, it generates the description. So just head over and then copy all of this and then add it to your actual product. So that's how you write or generate product description using WriteSonic. Hope we helped.